Hello friends, first I will introduce to you a quite interesting theme. This theme, in addition to having a beautiful style, also has quite interesting capabilities. Ability to change the color of application icons. This is default icon pack. Theme also applies to system Miui. HyperOS control center support. Now, I will change color icon pack of this theme. Dark mode icon pack. Icon pack change to dark mode. Change to different color. Custom to any color you want. With this theme, you can change icon pack to any color. Also custom transparent level of icon pack. 8 depth effect wallpapers. Home screen wallpaper change follow lock screen. If you running Chinese ROM, find theme name and install it. If you running global or other ROM can't find Chinese theme, you can download backup file in video description. Enter theme custom to enable dynamic island if you want. This to enable lock screen widgets. Second theme in this part, with dark mode icon, but different style. Next theme in this part. Swipe down to custom. Wallpaper. Clock style. Change lock screen wallpaper. All themes include my backup file and video description. You can use it to install on your global devices. Watch this video if you don't know how to do it. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.